Hey guys, alright, so quick lesson showing you how to hold a plectrum. So here's the thing to start with, right? There are so many different ways that you can hold a plectrum, and so many great players hold the plectrum in so many different ways. There is no real one right way of doing it. And what you'll find as well is that different players will hold the plectrum differently depending what they're doing. And you know, I do the same thing. If I'm playing something where I'm strumming, I'll often hold the plectrum differently to how I'm holding it when I'm picking something, for example. But in this quick video, I'm just going to give you a really quick demonstration of a good place to start, okay? So I'm going to use a pen and a plectrum and some fingers to show you, okay? So essentially, we're going to start. I'm going to show you with my left hand because I don't hold a pick in my left hand like ever. So I'm going to be going from scratch pretty much with my left hand, and I'll just write with my right hand. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to draw a line just here. Hopefully you can see that line just there on the finger, right? Then I'm going to draw a line. Can I draw a straight line? Come on. Yes, I can. Just there on the thumb. So I've got a line there on the thumb. I've got a line there on the side of the finger. All right. I'm also going to draw a line on my plectrum just there like that. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to match the lines up of the first finger and the thumb. So there's the line on the thumb there. I'm going to curl this first finger around like that. Then I'm going to match the two lines up just like that. So the line on the thumb is here, and you can see the line of the finger is there. And they match up just like that. Okay? Just like that. Then we're going to take the plectrum with the line, and I'm going to match the plectrum line up with the thumb and the finger. All right, so there's the thumb, match the line up with the plectrum there, match the line up with the first finger, which is there, okay, there, and then just place that just there, like that. And then hold the plectrum, not too tight. The tighter you hold the plectrum, the more the rest of the fingers just crunch in like this. And we don't want that because strumming and plucking is going to be really clunky. We want it nice and relaxed, so you get a little bit of movement. These fingers, I generally like to be nice and relaxed, but you could just bring them in like this, so long as they're relaxed as well. Okay, so that's how you hold the plectrum there. One more time. So we've got a line just there. That's meant to be straighter than that, but it's there. We've got a line just there. Okay, we have a line on the plectrum, and we just kind of match them up. So this line will go on the thumb there. The line on the first finger will go there, and we get it there just like that. Okay, and that's just a really good place to start there. You might find that over time you might kind of open the first finger up a little bit like that. Some people even bring it in a bit more like that. Some people might flatten out a little bit like that, and this all might change as you are playing different things on the guitar. So give that a go. Hope it helps. Take care, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.